Hi, I'm Jason Mercer, the Toronto Real Estate Board's Director of Market Analysis. I want to take the next few minutes to discuss with you what we saw in July in terms of home sales, listings, and price reported through TREB's MLS system. Now, turning to sales first, I'm happy to report that we had a record month for July home sales. Greater Toronto Area Realtors reported 9,880 home sales during the first full month of summer, which represented an 8% increase compared to July 2014. Now, on a GTA-wide basis, the number of transactions was up for all major home types, including a double-digit annual increase in condominium apartment sales. So this suggests that the demand for ownership housing is being fueled by a diversity of different households throughout the region. Now, obviously, low borrowing costs have played a key role in supporting home sales so far this year, and July was no exception. However, it is also important to note that the GTA economy has been performing relatively well this year, with the unemployment rate lower than what we experienced last year during the same time frame. Overall, it seems that households remain confident in their ability to purchase and pay for a home over the long term. Now, a final note on sales is the fact that the strong July result continued to point to a record year in terms of home sales for calendar year 2015, with total transactions expected to come in at about 100,000. Now, the interesting thing, however, is the fact that if we had a better supplied market, home sales would likely be closer to the 110,000 mark this year. However, with the constrained supply of listings in many neighborhoods throughout the GTA, it's unlikely that sales will reach this higher level. Now, of course, the shortage of listings in many areas continue to result in strong competition between buyers. The MLS Home Price Index estimates sale prices for typical home types throughout the GTA experienced increases in all major home type categories. The MLS HPI Composite Benchmark, which accounts for all home types, was up by more than 9% on a year-over-year basis. Now, over the same period, the average selling price for all home types combined was up by more than 10% to $609,236. Growth in the average selling price outstripped growth in the MLS HPI, largely due to the fact that we have seen a greater share of high-end home sales this year compared to last. Now, market conditions remain very tight in the low-rise market segments, including detached, semi-detached houses, and townhomes. Selling prices were also up for condominium apartments, but by a lesser annual rate, as the market for condos continues to benefit from more supply relative to the low-rise segments. However, condo inventory levels have been trending lower, which suggests that we could see more upward pressure on condo selling prices moving forward as well. This completes the market overview for July. I look forward to speaking with you again in a month's time. Thanks very much.
Brought to you by GTA Realtors.